Is Legendary Marketer for beginners? Is it legit? If you're asking yourself those questions, I'm going to go over those topics in just a few moments. So stay with me throughout this video and you will get your answers. What's up guys, Zeb here today. Today we're going to be talking about Legendary Marketer and whether it's for beginners or not. Whether the company and the products are actually legit. Alright? But before we get into today's subject, let me introduce myself to those that don't already know me. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell to be notified when I drop videos like this, and also, if you feel like you got some value out of today's content, give me a like. Show me some love with some comments down below about what you like, what you don't like, or would like to see in the future. And also, if you have any particular questions about today's video, post the questions down in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them. Now guys, if you're looking for a more passive income, one that'll provide you money while you sleep, while you're on vacation, whatever, go to my link down in the description, my #1 recommended Make Money Online offer. Just go down there and click that link and I'll send you some more information on that. Alright, let's get on with today's video and stop wasting any time here. Alright, Legendary Marketer. Alright, this is a product this is a affiliate program and also a course that trains people at all levels of marketing. All right, so this thing has products and events and courses and it's constantly getting updated. All right, so the beauty about Legendary Marketer, all right, there's a lot of these companies out there and they're not real. All right, this company is real. And I was in this company for a while before I felt comfortable promoting it because I wanted to make sure that the founder, David Sharp, was actually legit and he was actually in it for the long game. All right, this guy is in this for the long game. All right, he has already stated that he wants to do this for the next 20 years of his life. He really enjoys training people and seeing new guys coming into the industry or into this profession and actually start succeeding. All right, that's his mission. And guys, this is a great product, and guys, even at the very beginning level. All right, so what this is you have different various things you can purchase. There's a Legendary Marketers Club. It's only $30 a month, guys, and this, they're over delivering. All right, $30 a month is a steal in my opinion for this product. All right, you got several courses, you have a coach, you have a support group, you get webinars all the time, etc., etc. Now you can purchase other little products like this Traffic Rolodex, which teaches you how to get traffic. There's masterminds that you can purchase, which are not just one-time purchases. If you buy a mastermind, you can go to the masterminds year in and year out and network and learn things just for the cost of the original product. All right, and the beauty about this is when you purchase a mastermind or one of these products, you can become an affiliate for these because you're buying the licensing behind these masterminds or these products, and you can then, while you're learning to online marketing, use their products as an affiliate to build an income. All right, so that's the beauty behind Legendary Marketer, and it's like no other company out there. There's many companies out there that just do this piece. All right, that just do digital courses. All right, there's many out there, and they'll do a digital course and it never changes. All right, and they may have masterminds, but they're only once a year, and they don't license them. This is what's different about Legendary Marketer. They have products, which is digital products, training courses. They have live coaches that work with you. You have a coach assigned to you that you can contact whenever you want and help you go to where you want to be. All right. There are products, there are events, masterminds that you can go to, that you can purchase, and you can go to year in and year out, and you can actually market those and earn commissions off of those if you want to become an affiliate. This is not a product where you need to be an affiliate for. You can come in here and just learn. All right, learn how to be an online marketer, or learn how to be an online consultant. All right, so guys, Legendary Marketer is real. And it's not no bullshit, all right? I know there's so many things out there today, and I'm just going to take you through the back end. Now, this is going to get upgraded in the next month or so. They're going to upgrade this. So originally, Legendary Marketer came out 2 years ago, and it came out as Duplicate Dave. That was a program similar to Legendary Marketer, but he wanted to make this a real product. So he came out with Legendary Marketer. All right. So this is Legendary Marketer. Now there's a new version coming out. It's going to be the third version, and it's going to get even better. There's going to be updates to the products. Anybody that's in it's going to get the products. Any updates that you get within Legendary Marketer, you're always going to get those updates, no matter what. If you purchased today and they put an update out tomorrow, you're going to get those updates for the future of this product. All right, for the future of this company. So what makes this so valuable, you ask, right? Is this for beginners? And my answer is yes. It absolutely is. And it's built, he wants the beginners to actually make progress. He don't really care about the super affiliates because they already know what they're doing. He wants to get the person that is new to the game, all right, teach them and actually have them make their first income or first dollar online using techniques that he shares. All right. And guys, this is an amazing product. All right. So when you first log into this, you come to this this page, and it's going to get introduced. You got a coach that's assigned to you. You got their phone number, their email address. You can schedule calls with them all the time. You can connect with them. You can learn from them. They're going to tell you what steps to take to get to the next step you want, whether it's in Legendary or outside, but they're going to help you get to that next level in Legendary. So if you do want to become an affiliate, or if you do want to learn at the next level, they'll help you get to that next level and help you get there. All right. So when you come in, you got these core steps. They call them 15 core steps. Now these are going to get upgraded too. Now, when you come in, you're going to get these steps. You're going to go step 1. And basically what this is David Sharp actually going through what Legendary is and what products there are, how to get your account set up, and a lot other training just in these core 15 steps. And that's not even the product yet, right? This is just your core steps. And along the way with these steps, they're going to be locked, right? So you'll get the first couple steps, they'll be unlocked, and then you'll get to the next step, and then what they want you to do is connect with your coach so he can answer any questions you have. You'll have homework after each one of these steps, so you're actually learning shit, all right? So what you learn, you actually put to action, all right? If you're just reading shit and not putting it to action, you might as well stop because it's not going to do you any value. You can read and learn all day, but until you put it to action, you're not going to get any value out of it, all right? And that's why it's so valuable to have a personal coach that will help you put what you learn into action, all right? They're going to give you the steps that you need to take it to the next level, all right? So as you go through these steps and you start talking to your coach, you start building that relationship with your coach, and you start feeling more comfortable about what you're learning, all right? Then you can take that and start putting it into an online marketing business, all right? So, guys, this isn't something that's a get-rich-quick scheme. This isn't a pyramid scam. This is actually education, and it gives you a platform where you can actually learn and earn from the same platform, which is the genius behind this. All right, guys? Now, look, it's not for everybody, and this is what you're getting for $30 a month. Is their Marketers Club, all right? So you come in at the $30 a month. You got, what, 8, 9, 10 courses here. You got the core steps, and you have a support group. you have a personal coach. At the $30 a month, you're getting all that. That's totally undervalued in my opinion, all right? So, guys, look at what you're getting. Go into it, join it, $30 a month, do it for a couple months, and if you feel it's like something that you want, and I think you can even buy it for like the year and get like 3-4 months for free if you buy it at like at the Marketers Club membership for the year, you'll get like a percentage off, all right? But just come in and do it for a couple months, all right? It's going to teach you what you need to do to get started, and if you feel like it's something that you want to learn more about, if you want to take it to the next level, you want to become an affiliate for the program, then take that next step. And that's what your coach is there to do, is help you get to that next step. All right, guys? Now, I came into Legendary Marketer, and I went all in, all right? I got all the products. I got all the events. I got everything, right? And the reason why I did that is because at $30 a month, I don't have no accountability, all right? My accountability and my, it's not making me do anything at $30. I'm not afraid to lose $30 a month. So therefore, if I'm gonna just play with this, right? But by going all in, going to the next levels, it creates accountability. It's like, oh shit, I just paid money for this. I'm gonna be accountable. So I want to actually learn, build a online marketing business, and do something with this company and that I feel passionate about. All right. It's one of the very few companies out there like this. And it's one of the very few that I feel is really ethical and not try to just gyp people. All right. So this is your first level. It's a Marketers Club. You got 10 courses in there, and they're getting upgraded all the time. There will be some new courses popped in there periodically. Builder, this is a next level. This is courses. This is 3 different courses at 3 different levels, all right? And these are courses that you can learn, all right? Affiliate marketing and digital products. So this one actually teaches you how to build your online marketing presence and business and everything as a whole. This one zones in on affiliate marketing. This one zones in on how you can actually create your own digital products and how to become an authority in a particular niche and sell digital products in that niche, all right? So this teaches you all that stuff. The leader, this is where the events are, all right? There's 2 events. Actually, I think there's 3 events a year or 4 events, but this is where you jump into the next level and start going to masterminds and actually go into events and actually masterminding with other professionals in the industry and top super affiliates that will actually help you and teach you, and you can start networking and building your network of like-minded people that you can actually model off of. All right. Marketplace, this is where you get like a couple extra products. They got a couple products in here, Traffic Rolodex, and a book that you can actually purchase, the Legendary Marketer book. It's a very good book. It's very easy to read. It's free. You just pay for shipping. Once you get the book, you can actually use that as the funnel to get you into the products as an affiliate. Invisible Influencer, this one's another one. This one's basically more about Facebook, how to build your presence on social media. But guys, there's so much stuff in here, and this is just a glimpse of what you're going to get. And I don't want to go too deep into what Legendary is all about. I just wanted to let you know that it is for beginners. You will learn. You'll make relationships that you will carry for life. If you're really serious about online marketing and you haven't found a company or a product that is something that you want, guys, I welcome you to take advantage of this and actually go in. Start with the Legendary Marketer Club at $30 a month. Go in there, build a relationship with your coach. See if this is something that you want to do. If you are serious about online marketing and you really do want to learn from some of the best out there, then guys, go join and see what it is. And if it's something that you can actually use, then why not try it, right? I recommend this to anybody coming into affiliate online digital marketing that wants to actually break free of the 9 to 5 and actually build something. Now, come in this with the mindset of a 2-3 year goal to get you out of where you're at right now. All right, that's the thing that most people fail at. They want to join something, and in 30 days they want to make profit, and that's not reality. If you bought a McDonald's, you're not going to be in profit for like 10 freaking years, guys. In real life, it doesn't work that way. But if you have a 9 to 5 and you want to break free from that, if you want to get a side income and you want to get to that laptop lifestyle so you can start traveling the world or work from wherever you want, stay home with your kids, come into something like this. I mean, maybe Legendary isn't your product. Maybe it's something else. But this is a legit product that you're actually going to learn from. And it has a great community. Guys in here that are willing to help you answer any questions. And you can actually build a business from what you learn. All right, guys, I don't want to go into this any further. I want to close this off with, is Legendary Marketer for beginners? My answer is yes. Is it legit? Of course. I wouldn't even talk about it if I didn't feel comfortable with it. It's an ethical company. I'm an ethical person. As you can see with all my videos, I'm not trying to bullshit anybody. Either this is for you or it's not, but I wanted to let you know that it is real, it is for beginners, and you can learn while you earn. All right. So guys, again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, give me some comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like to see in the future. And if you have any questions, please post them down below and I will answer. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and give me a like. And if you have want any more information on my #1 recommended make money online offer, go down to the bottom of the top of the description and click that link and I'll send you some more information. All right, guys, peace out and I'll see you again tomorrow.